Honeywell Ceiling Fans. This is a great looking fan, and it runs without any wobble. No balancing necessary. The blades are a dark, walnut, brown, and a black with gray wood grain on the reverse side. I installed this as a flush mount, which probably helps with wobble, in our bedroom, without the included short down rod. This puts the fan blade's upper edges right at 4 inches from the ceiling. The ceiling is 96 inches, 8 feet, and the light globe is at 86.5 inches, 9.5 inches down, which is over 7 feet from the floor. The lower edge of the blades are at 91 inches. Plenty of headroom. I wired mine so that the existing light switch, which used to only operate wall outlets, turns on, off the light, but the fan is directly powered and is operated solely by the remote. My light switch is not a dimmer switch, so I get full light intensity with the switch, which means if you have the light on, via the remote, at a dimmed setting, the wall switch will allow you to switch between full on and the dimmed setting. You'll need the remote to turn the light off if you use it to turn the light on. These are so much better than some other fans I bought. They have a more traditional look than the low-profile fan I had before, but it was very simple to assemble by myself, and mounted easily as well. I didn't have to use the balance tabs at all, and the color options allowed me to match up the room decor with ease, as much as I know how. Tips. Tip number 1, do not assemble beforehand. Even with a helper, it will be much easier to just attach the blades and light afterwards. Tip no. 2. Make sure that you have a proper drop box in the ceiling. I highly recommend the box with the twist arm that extends between the joists. This is an after-build, retro style that can replace your light fixture box. Removing the old one can be a pain. I recommend using a sawzall or jigsaw to cut the nails, once the wires are retracted. Get professional help if you are at all uneasy doing this. You don't want to go electrocuting yourself or cut through a joist. Do not use a standard light fixture box, even if it is rated to 50 pounds. They are not designed to handle the sway when the blades rotate. Tip number 3. I further recommend the retro electrical box style with the square rod over the round rod. As with the square one, you can truly tighten it down a bit more beyond hand tightening using a wrench. Be sure to not over torque and crack the joists. Tip number 4. Get a remote, around $20, to operate these, and be sure to program the remote and receiver ahead of time. I forgot on one of the 3 I bought, and I had to disassemble the whole thing to flip 2 tiny switches in the remote base. Tip number 5. Use the added pull chain hole in the light cap for the fan speed pull chain. Aligning it can be a small challenge, but once lined up, it will work quite well as an override in case the remote fails. Remote control. Included remote control with 3 speed settings, smart sync, for quick setup, walk-away light delay, and light dimmer. Controlling your ceiling fan has never been easier. Quiet reversible motor. Conveniently quiet, 3-speed, reversible motor that can be run in reverse in the winter to aid in rotating the warm air in the room. Medium to large sized rooms. 48-inch blades, which are designed for medium to large sized rooms such as a bedroom, living room, dining room or common area. 100% satisfaction. Limited lifetime manufacturer's warranty. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the down link present in description. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.